Greetings. Previously, I've done a deep energy retrofit on my house, and now I'm in the process of converting everything I can from combustion to electric motors. I bought an Ego battery-powered lawnmower and leaf blower, and I've liked both. I needed a chainsaw, so just this week I purchased an Ego 14-inch chainsaw. This video is a quick look at my unpacking and first use of that chainsaw, and I'll tell you right up front, I really like it. We have several other Ego tools. We have a lawnmower that I really like, and then we got a blower, and both of these have replaced our gas-powered. So this is a 14-inch chainsaw. Let's open it, see what it has in store for us. Oh, I forgot about this. I got the warranty plan on this. And we got a book, operator's manual for the battery, operator's manual for the charger. And here's what you're all waiting for. Operator's manual for the cordless 14-inch chainsaw. We have a 56 volt lithium ion cordless battery. There is an Ego battery charger, as they say in Boston. So now I'll take the chainsaw out. Ooh. Good size. Chainsaw comes with a cover. This is to get at the chain mechanism right here. Pretty easy to do. This is the chain tensioner. That's pretty good tension there. You don't want it much tighter than that, and you certainly don't want it looser. The chainsaw runs on a lithium ion 56 volt battery. Comes with a battery charger. I'm going to plug in the charger here. And you can see this is actually designed to go on a wall, hanging on a wall, but for now we're going to do it right here. So what you do to charge it, pretty simple. You just slide it on here. It's pretty heavy, so it goes right on it. You push it all the way down and push the button. So you can see, already charged up. So now I can disengage it, and to do that I just lift up. I like to unplug it just to be sure, though I don't think you really have to. And there you have it. Bar and chain oil. And you can see right here, I've removed the cap. It's not unlike a standard chainsaw in that it needs oil to lubricate the chain, which is going to go around and create a lot of friction. I'm presuming that bar and chain oil from days of old is just as good as new. He said hopefully. I think it is. And so we pour a little in. And there's a filter in here. So they tell you to just let it go in slowly and don't worry about it. And the idea is to fill it up to the bottom of the fill. And we are pretty well filled right up to the top. It really, actually, it's pretty cool. Look at it. You put the battery in.
Yeah. It seems like it'd be heavy.
You push the button. Green light comes on. You pull the guide back. This is designed to stop it if it kicks back. And then you push the button in and So we've put it together and we've put oil in it. Now let's try it out. Pull this toward me, put the battery in. Wow. Went through pretty easily. It works just as well as any regular chainsaw, as far as I could see. I mean, I've just done a few cuts here, but it seems to have lots of guts, and it certainly is quieter. It's no heavier than my old chainsaw, and I like it. I was not surprised when I thought about it, but I had never thought about the idea that you'd need bar and chain oil, which obviously you do, because this is the same whether or not you've got a gasoline or an electric motor, a gasoline engine or an electric motor driving it, but pretty good. Let's do one more cut just for yayas. We'll have to have a bonfire. There you go. We've unpacked, looked at, and tried out the Ego 14-inch electric chainsaw. It works as well as a traditional gas-powered saw. It's a bit quieter while operating it. One thing I really like about it is that when it's not operating, it's off. Also, with ongoing shoulder problems, the fact that I can push a button and start it is absolutely awesome. I didn't use it long enough to run down the battery, but reports from others say a battery lasts about as long as a tank of gas in a traditionally powered saw. That should generally be more than enough for my purposes, and if it's not, I have a second battery all charged up and ready to go. One note of caution: this chainsaw is not a toy. The fact that it is powered by electricity does not diminish its power to cut trees or you. This is a great tool, and like any powered tool, it has the potential to cause severe bodily harm. Please use it carefully. That said, I suspect I'll never go back to a gas-powered chainsaw again. I recommend this to you, and if I had an extra hand, I would give it 3 thumbs up. Thanks for watching.